we are in week 2 of the current Kroger Mega event, and come along with me as I show you how I'm going to grab $44 worth of products, and it's all going to be free plus a dollar moneymaker. As I mentioned, a new mega event started today, and it is one like I have never seen before. I have been couponing at Kroger for about 3 years, and I can never remember a time when we had a mega event that was buy 3, get $2 off each item. So although this is a semi-new, I guess you could call it, mega event, the rules stay the same, and let me refresh those for you. So essentially what the mega event is, it is a store promotion that Kroger puts on where they offer discounts on select products throughout the store. Not every item in the store is included. You must look for the items with these red tags. You must also, as the tag states, buy at least 3 or more participating items in order to get $2 off of each item. If you do not buy at least 3 participating items, you will not receive $2 off of each one. And when it says buy 3 items, it does not mean 3 of the same items. Now you can, but you can also mix and match the participating items throughout the store. And finally, you do not have to buy in increments of 3. You could buy 3, that's the minimum. You could buy 5, you could buy 8, you could buy 20. It doesn't matter as long as you buy 3. All right, now that we understand how this mega event works, let me show you some deals. For our first deal, you want to either look in the school supplies section or the stationery aisle and look for these paper mate pens that are on sale 10 for $10. I'm going to go ahead and pick up 6 and pay the $6 out of pocket at checkout. I'm then going to take my receipt and submit it to Fetch Rewards, where I have an offer for 3,000 points with each purchase of 2, with a limit of 3 for the offer. So I should pay that $6 out of pocket and then submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards and get back 9,000 points, which is equivalent to $9, making this a $3 moneymaker. My offer is for the 10 count or more, so be sure to double check that you are grabbing the 10 count packs priced at $1. Next, I'm going to grab one of these Energizer keychain lights. They are normally $6.99, but they are on sale for $5.99. Before I head to checkout, I'm going to go into the Kroger app, and under Kroger Cashback, I'm going to clip the $2 off one Kroger Cashback offer. I'll pay the $5.99 out of pocket, but then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, where Ibotta is going to give me back $2. I'm also going to scan the product in store for some kicks on Shopkick. And then I'm also going to submit my receipt to Shopkick, and in total, I'm going to get back $4.08. Finally, in about 48 to 72 hours, my Kroger Cashback account should be credited with that $2, making my final net total for this free and a $2.09 moneymaker. This next deal is going to have 2 parts, as we are going to be working towards an Ibotta bonus. The first part is for the colliders. These are normally $2.99, but they are on sale for $2.59. And they are a weekly digital deal, making them $1.49. Now, in order to get them at the weekly digital deal price, you must clip the digital coupon found in the Kroger app. So once I clip that digital coupon and enter my phone number at checkout, I'll pay $1.49. But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. I picked up a Reese's one, so I'm going to make sure to submit my receipt to Ibotta for the appropriate rebate, and it's going to give me back 75 cents, making one of these just 74 cents. For the second part of the deal, I'm going to pick up a Jell-O product. These are normally $2.69, on sale for $2.59, and they are also part of that same weekly digital deal that we did for the colliders at $1.49. That weekly digital deal coupon is good for up to 5 items in a single transaction, so you can grab both the Jell-O and the colliders. I'm going to pay $1.49 out of pocket, but then submit my receipt to Ibotta, where Ibotta is going to give me 25 cents back. And since I bought the colliders plus the Jell-O, I'm going to get a 50-cent bonus on Ibotta, making the Jell-O also just 74 cents. Another item that is a weekly digital deal is this Mr. Clean Clean Freak Cleaning Mist. This stuff is normally $5.49, but when you clip the digital coupon in the Kroger app, you will pay just $3.49 for it. Again, this coupon does have a limit of 5 per single transaction, so I'm actually going to pick up 2 so I can also use the $3 off to manufacturer coupon that we got in the August P&G inserts. Now, since the weekly digital deal coupon is a store coupon, we can pair it with a manufacturer coupon. So once both coupons are applied at checkout, I'll be left to pay $3.98 out of pocket. But then I'm going to scan one of the items in store on Shopkick to get some scan kicks. And then I'm also going to submit my receipt to Shopkick for some additional kicks, making my total back on Shopkick $1.44. That makes my final net total for both $2.54 or just $1.27 each. Next, I'm going to show you some deals that I did not include in my haul today, but I think are still good deals. For the first one, you want to grab 2 loaves of the Nature's Own Hawaiian bread. Y'all, in order to do this one, it has to be the Hawaiian. These are normally $4.29 each, but right now they are buy one, get one free. So you'll go ahead and pay the $4.29 out of pocket and then submit your receipt to Ibotta, where Ibotta is going to give you back $1.25 for each one for a total of $2.50. With that cash back from Ibotta, your net total for both is going to be $1.79 or just 90 cents each. The only reason I'm not doing this next deal is because it is a moneymaker at H-E-B, but if you don't have an H-E-B, this is a great deal. You want to look for this So Delicious dairy-free yogurt priced at $2.19. You'll pay that $2.19 out of pocket, but then you're going to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where Ibotta is going to give you back $1.99, making one of these just 20 cents. Here is an awesome mega event deal. These Yasso poppables are normally $6.99, but they are on sale for $5.99, and after mega event savings, they are just $3.99 each. You're going to pay that $3.99 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta and get back $3. That makes your final net total just 99 cents. The Ibotta rebate does have a limit of 2, so you can grab up to 2 at that 99-cent final price. I shared this still last week, but it is still ongoing this week. These loaded Blue Bunny ice creams are normally $2.69, but after the mega event savings, they are just 69 cents each. I did mention in the last video that we do have a 75-cent internet printable when you sign up for emails on the Blue Bunny website. You just sign up to receive the emails, and then shortly they will send you an email letting you know that you have unlocked a 75-cent coupon, which you can go ahead and print at home to use on this. We have an easy deal on the Skintimate shaving cream this week. This is normally $3.69, but it is on sale for $2.99, and after mega event savings, they are just 99 cents a can. The same exact deal can be done for the Edge shaving cream. These are also originally $3.69, on sale for $2.99, and after the mega event, they are just 99 cents each. So this Shopkick deal is still lingering around, but I cannot find the $1.25 boxes of Skittles at my store, but I'm going to mention this deal anyway. You want to look for the theater style box of Skittles priced at $1.25. You'll pay that $1.25 out of pocket, but while you're in store, scan the product on Shopkick, and then once you pay for it, submit your receipt to Shopkick, where you're going to get back a total of $2.44. That's going to make the box of Skittles free and a $1.19 moneymaker. All right, y'all, let's review this receipt. At the top, I have all 6 of my Papermate pens, which were originally $2.99, and I paid $1 out of pocket for each one. Next, I had the Energizer keychain light. That was originally $6.99, but they were on sale for $5.99. Next, I have my colliders and my Jell-O. I clipped the weekly digital coupon, which left me to pay $1.49 out of pocket for each one. Finally, I had my Mr. Clean products. Those were originally $5.49, but I did clip the weekly digital coupon in the Kroger app, and that dropped my total down to $3.49 for each one. But if you see down at the bottom, I did use that $3 off to manufacturer coupon that did apply at checkout. After all coupons and savings, my net total came out to $18.95 plus tax out of pocket. I then took my receipt and submitted it to Fetch Rewards, where unfortunately they were unable to verify the offer. It did not recognize the 3 off 2 Papermate offer, even when I went in and manually corrected my receipt. Fetch Rewards is very good about responding in a timely manner and crediting you the appropriate points, so hopefully they'll get back to me soon. If you watched my Walmart haul last week, you know I had a similar issue with the Ticonderoga pencils, so I think some of their school supplies offers are just not catching the appropriate items. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, where I got back 75 cents for the colliders, 25 cents for the Jell-O, and $2 back for the Energizer key light. I was also credited for the bonus for purchasing both the Jell-O and the colliders, so I got back an additional 50 cents there, making my total back on Ibotta $3.50. The last place I submitted my receipt to was Shopkick for 1,350 kicks. 1,000 of those kicks were for the Energizer key light, and the remaining 350 were for the Mr. Clean products. My receipt is still pending, but within the next 24 hours, I should receive that credit no problem. Finally, I checked my Kroger Cash Back account to see if the offer for the $2 back on the Energizer key light disappeared. It did disappear from my list, so that means that it should be processing correctly and I should receive that credit in about 48 to 72 hours. Here's a final review of the numbers for this haul. The retail value of everything we picked up was $44.55. After the sales price, it was $28.15. We had a total of $9.20 in coupons, which left us to pay out of pocket $18.95. On Ibotta, I got back $3.50. Shopkick, a total of $5.52. Once my Fetch Rewards receipt is reviewed, I should get back $9. And I should also get back $2 on Kroger Cash Back in the next couple of days, making my final net total free and a $1.07 moneymaker. That's going to conclude this week's Kroger haul. I want to remind you guys, if you are not currently yet signed up for Ibotta, Shopkick, or Fetch Rewards, I do have links down in the description below where you can sign up. And when you sign up for one or more of those rebate apps, they all will unlock welcome bonuses. Thanks so much for watching. Please also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you go. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.